Buying a new or used car is a big deal. You want to make sure you're getting a fair price, but also that your new investment is going to be protected. No matter what you drive, sooner or later, you could be faced with car troubles and expensive repair costs. What if you could have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you'll be covered as long as you own your vehicle? Well, now you can when you go by CARR with their exclusive Car Care coverage that includes a full powertrain warranty that's not limited by time or miles. Car Care coverage means you'll be protected from costly powertrain repairs forever. And even better, it's included with your vehicle at no extra cost. It covers hundreds of parts, including the big expensive stuff like the engine and transmission. Plus, Car Care coverage includes tons of other benefits and services, more than $2,000 in value, including things like 10 years of roadside assistance, flat repair, fuel service, and valuable discounts in car service departments. Unlike some other dealerships that offer lifetime warranties, with Car Care coverage, there are no hooks or gotchas. You don't have to do anything special to get the coverage or the benefits. Simply take care of your car like you normally would. Of course, we'd love for you to bring it to CARR to be serviced by our master technicians, but that's not necessary. Your powertrain coverage is good anywhere you go in the U.S. for however long you own the car. That's Car Care coverage, real peace of mind for the road ahead, exclusively at CARR Auto Group. Visit one of CARR's dealerships today and experience how CARR is different. Go see, go do, go by CARR. Still unsure or skeptical? Check out the page below for answers to all your questions.